first call would be a buy call for AirAsia X Berhad. So we could see from the chart over here, it made an important breakout yesterday. So because it has just completed its inverted head and shoulder pattern breakout, so it can just draw a line. So this is its first shoulder, and then it's a head, and then it's second shoulder right over here. So you can see if I just draw a neckline pattern right over here, it just made an important breakout over here because this breakout was done through a strong gap up with increased volume, which has pushed the price above all moving average lines. So you can see which this breakout means that this downtrend that started from this November 2024 has ended, and possibly this could be a start of a new uptrend, given that if you look at its second shoulder over here, starting from its first head from this bottom, you could see that this rise was not quick. It was done in a higher low structure, steady higher low structure. You could see its first higher low over here, and we could see another higher low over here. So possibly if you look at the RSI reading, it is approaching its over bought territory. So possibly we could see a mild pullback today, but then this neckline pattern would serve as an immediate support line. So what we want to see is possibly a consolidation right above its neckline pattern that could also create a new higher low structure before the price rebounded higher and might test our next resistance here at 1.90. But then if you look at the momentum indicators through its RSI and MACD reading, this uptrend could actually resume. So next, let's go to our next technical buy call, which is YTL Corporation Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, it is in a consolidation phase, but it also made a bullish reversal breakout yesterday as it just broke above its downtrend line from this peak over here from this January 9 January 2025 high. You can see if I draw a downtrend line over here, so you can see this green candle over here has just broken above its downtrend line, and it has pushed the price back above its 50-day EMA line. But then if you look at the volume, it has been increasing, which means that the reversal could actually resume. But then for a further confirmation, it would be good if you could see this 21-day EMA crosses above this orange line, which is the 50-day EMA. This scenario is likely to happen if you look at the RSI reading. It has been upward trending given the high low structure as well, and it has maintained its position above the 50 level, which means that buy momentum could actually remain elevated. And if you look at the DMA reading, it has turned positive, which means that bullish sentiment has started to kick in. So our next resistance target is at 2.15, which support has been set up at 1.74. And this support, which is at 1.74, is an important support because you could see price has several times tested this support line before it found its rebound moment. So if price breaks below this line, it could actually lead to a bearish continuation move. But overall, looking at momentum, it is still on the bullish side and might test our next resistance at 2.15. And lastly, we have a sell call on NextG Berhad. We previously made a buy call on NextG Berhad, and it has hit both of our TPs. So you can see its bullish sentiment has started from its April 2025 low. Because the move has been too extended, we could see there's been a sell-off from its April 2025 high, and we assume that this sell-off could actually resume because if you look closer, it has actually completed a bearish engulfing pattern, which engulfed its previous two bodies. So this is a sign that this sell-off could actually resume, given that it is accompanied by increased volume. It has also broken below its important support line over here. So you can see this line has been acted as a previous resistance, now acts as a support line. It has breached below this support line. So possibly this sell-off could actually resume and might actually test our next support target at 0.310, which aligns with its 50-day EMA line. So overall, NextG Berhad is currently in a weakening momentum, given also that the RSI has fallen down from its over bought territory.